Multi-level or tiered decks, we typically try not to do them if it's allowable, because when you put different levels in a deck or tier it up and down, what you do is you start to chop up the space and segregate the space and make it less versatile. You're forcing one level to be used for one thing, another level to be used for another thing. And so it's not always ideal. Now, a lot of times, a lot of houses, they'll have two entry doors to a house. So they'll have one on one side, one on another side, and those sometimes will be at different levels. And then if you want to, cover both those doors, you're going to have to make a multi-tiered deck. So that's where it would come into play. And then as far as zoning goes, sometimes that will help. If you have, all cities have side yard and rear yard setback requirements. And if you get below 30 inches in some cities and below 12 inches in some cities above grade, then those structures will not follow those setback guidelines. So then you could potentially, say the deck's 4 feet above the ground here, but you want to encroach over to the side or to the rear more than it's allowable at a 4-foot height, but you can do that at, say, a 2-foot height. Then you could tier the deck down to get you that structure and still be within those guidelines.